Children, today we are going to learn use of a and an. Okay, where we have to use a word a or an. For that we have to revise vowels. You must have revised it. Again repeat after me, then you will be able to understand. A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. I'll repeat it. A, E, I, O, U. Today I am going to teach you what are the use of these vowels. Okay. This is what? This is umbrella. This is what? This is umbrella. Umbrella is starting with the letter U. See, this is U now. So that is why this is a vowel U here and this is U here. For that what we have to use a or an. See, whenever it is a vowel, then that time you have to use a and n. Okay, always remember when it is a vowel in a first word, then you have to use a and n. Okay, I'll circle it and then you will be able to understand. Okay, now what is next? This is egg. See, it starts with the letter E. Okay, you can see here egg starts with the letter E and E is what? Our vowel E here. Then again what we have to see that A will come or N will come. See, whenever a vowel is there, always remember A and N will come. Okay, now I'll circle this A and N. Now again see, which word is this? This is an orange. Always remember it is O. See, this is a vowel O. Then if it is a vowel, then always what will come? A or N? Yes, N will come. Correct you are. See, this is A and N. Always what we say? An orange, an egg, an umbrella. We don't say a umbrella. It is a wrong. Okay. Now what is this? This is our apple. What is this? Apple. It starts with the letter A. A is what? Our vowel. A is what? Our vowel. So for that what we have to do? What we have to use? A or N? Here we have to use N. Always we say an apple, not a apple. It is a wrong. Okay. Now what will come after this? See, this is ice cream. You must be loving to eat this ice cream. We don't say it if it starts with the letter I. I is what? Our vowel. Okay, if it is a vowel, what we have to do? A or N? Yes, this time you are absolutely correct. It is an ice cream. We don't say it is an ice cream. We say it an ice cream. We don't say it a ice cream. Okay. Now next is what? See, this is jug. J, it starts with the letter J. Is J here? See, this is A, E, I, O, U. But J is not there now. For that what you have to do? Will use a jug or an jug? Yes, this time you are correct. It is a jug. Okay. This way you have to use a or n. If it is a vowel, always a letter A N will come, not a. Okay. Hello children, now we'll see the use of a or n with this. Okay. See, this is a pen. If this is a pen, it starts with the word letter P. If it is a P, then what will come? A will come. Okay. Remember. And next is what? This is elephant. It starts with the letter E, which is a vowel. Okay. Then you have to circle A and N here. Now next is what? A flower. See, we always say a flower, not N flower. It starts with the letter F. Then a flower will come. Okay. Next is what? Orange. See, it is starting with the letter O. Then what will come? A and N will come. Now next is what? Dog. See, this is, it starts with the letter D. Then what will come? It is not a vowel, na? That is why A will come. Now this is cake. Cake is starting with the letter C. So what will come? A cake, because C is not a vowel. Okay. Now what is this? This is egg. See, this is egg. So it starts with the letter E. What will come? A, N, N. Now, what is next? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. It is starting with a letter A. So, what will come? Guesses? Yes, A, N, N will come. Okay. Now, see, what is this? This is apple. It is starting with the letter A. What will come? It is a vowel. Remember, you always have to revise the vowels. This is an apple. Now, what is this? Ink pot. Ink pot. It's starting with a letter I. It is a vowel. A, N, N will come. Now, you tell me, what is this? This is jug. Which letter is this? This is J. Now, if it is a J, is it a vowel? No, it is not a vowel. Then what will come? A jug. Okay. Now, see, what is this? This is a cycle. You must be writing this cycle. See, it's starting with the letter C. Then if it is a C, it is not a vowel. Then A will come. Okay. Now, what will come after cycle? This is umbrella. It starts with the letter U. Any guesses? What is this? This is a vowel or not? Yes, absolutely right. This is a vowel. Then N will come. Okay. Now, what is this? This is a balloon. It starts with the letter B. Is it a vowel? No, it's not a vowel. Then A will come. Now, what is next? Ice cream. You must be loving to eat it. See, it starts with the letter I. Yes, it is a vowel. Now, you are expert in this. Now, A and N will come. What is our last? This is onion. Onion starts with the letter O. So, O is a vowel. Then, A and N will come. In this way, you have to practice it at home and revise it every time. Okay.
Shanti Juniors.